In this video, we are going to discuss regarding the phloem element of vascular tissue. Already we have discussed that the vascular tissue is the conducting tissue of the plant body, and which is made up of two kinds of tissues, that is xylem tissue and phloem tissue, and both the tissues, xylem and phloem tissue, are complex tissue that they consist of more than one type of cells. We have discussed regarding xylem that it consists of four types of element, that is tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers, that is xylem sclerenchyma and xylem parenchyma. Now let's discuss regarding another complex tissue, that is phloem. So it is a complex living tissue and it consists of different components. It is a mainly food conducting tissue of vascular plants and composed of several types of cells. This word phloem is introduced by Nageli, and the Greek word meaning bark. So phloem composed of several elements. The components of phloem are as follows. First one, sieve element. Secondly, companion cells. Thirdly, phloem parenchyma, and lastly, phloem fibers and sclerites. In some plants, phloem also have internal secretory tissues. For example, lactiferous in Hevia. So let's start with the first component of the parenchyma, that is sieve tubes. Sieve tubes are made up of sieve cells, and mature sieve tubes are uninucleated. They possess perforated sieve plates, and the sieve tube type is not constant in families or sometimes even in genera. Although the sieve tubes of vines and herbs are usually of the highest type, and all type occur in woody and in herbaceous forms of the plant. So these are called as advanced type of sieve elements. Occurs in angiosperm, longitudinal series of cells as shown in the figure. Each cell is called sieve tube member or sieve tube element, and sieve area are located on the end wall. Sieve area are more specialized in sieve tubes than the sieve cells. Sieve plate is the part of cell wall bearing sieve areas, and the end wall of sieve tube inclined to transverse. The second element of phloem is companion cells. Companion cells are thin-walled cells. Look at the diagram. Connected to sieve tubes by plasmodesmata, contains large nucleus, many plastid and ribosomes, and these companion cells are metabolically active. Physiologically, it is associated with the sieve tube member. Or we can say these are isodimetric cells. They possess prominent nuclei, and one or more companion cells are associated with each sieve tube. Companion cells are specialized type of parenchyma cells which are closely associated in origin, position and function with sieve tube element. And these cells occur only in angiosperms. Companion cells do not contain starch. Next element of phloem is phloem parenchyma. The phloem typically contains parenchyma cells of types other than companion cells, and various terms have been given to these cells and on the basis of shape and the probable functions. Parenchyma may be lacking in phloem. For example, in vascular bundles of many monocotyledon. So, in short, the phloem parenchyma occurs in both primary and secondary phloem. They are thin-walled, they are living tissue or living cells, have primary pit fields. Some parenchyma cells store starch, and there are two types of parenchyma in secondary phloem, that is axial parenchyma and ray parenchyma. The fourth element of phloem is phloem sclerenchyma, or we call them as phloem fibers. So these are rare or absent in phloem of living pteridophytes, and they are absent from this tissue in some gymnosperm and angiosperm. But in many seed plants, fiber forming a prominent part of both the primary and secondary phloem and providing mechanical strength are known as bast fibers. So these are sclerenchyma of phloem. They are dead cells, lignified cell wall, and have simple or slightly bordered pits. Septate fibers occur in vitis. In some plants, phloem fibers are very long. Let's see what are the functions of phloem. So the chief function of phloem is the conduction of elaborated food stuff, both protein and carbohydrates. Phloem transport organic food from leaves to storage organ and growing part, while phloem sclerenchyma, that's bast fibers in higher vascular plants, provide mechanical strength to organs. Primary phloem after secondary growth in an organ stores secondary metabolites. So this is the account of a second element of complex tissue, that is phloem. Now this xylem and phloem togetherly form a vascular tissue, and we this vascular tissue is also known as vascular bundle when xylem and phloem are arranged togetherly. So let's discuss regarding different kinds of vascular bundles in plant. First of all, vascular bundle is a strand of conducting tissue. It consists of phloem and xylem together or alone. The tissue in vascular bundles may be primary or secondary, may be living or dead. They transport food, water, and mineral salt from one part of the plant to the other. The dead tissue of vascular bundle also gives the mechanical strength. So togetherly xylem and phloem, if they are arranged together, and this arrangement of xylem and phloem together is known as a vascular bundle, and it togetherly perform its function, and which function of conduction as well as they gives the mechanical strength to the plant also. And according to their arrangement or tissue pattern of their arrangement, there are different kinds of vascular bundle, or there are different types of vascular bundle which are shown here in the diagram in the slide with the help of diagrammatic representation. Here the dark gray color shows the xylem, while the faint gray color shows the phloem, and their arrangement is shown diagrammatically here, and depending on their pattern of arrangement there are different types of vascular bundle. For example, radial, first type, that is a radial type of vascular bundle, secondly concentric type of vascular bundle, and thirdly conjoint vascular bundles. Now let's start with first type, that is radial type of vascular bundle. Now look at here, this is the radial type of vascular bundle. Here each vascular bundle consists of only xylem or only phloem. They lie on alternate radii. Such vascular bundle are present in roots only. In radial vascular bundle, metaxylem are directed towards the center and protoxylems are towards the periphery of cross section. So xylem bundles and phloem bundles are arranged alternately on different radius. For example, look at this diagrammatic representation here. This dark colored part is a xylem. It's present on one radius, while the phloem present on other radius, and alternate xylem and phloem are located arranged here, and such type of arrangement of xylem and phloem togetherly is known as a radial type of vascular bundle, while this vascular bundle strictly present in the roots of plant only. Now the second type of vascular bundle, that is concentric vascular bundle. Here this is the concentric vascular bundle. This is the second type of vascular bundle called as a concentric vascular bundle. There are two types of concentric vascular bundle, that is hydrocentric or leptocentric, or we can say amphivasal or amphicribral. So let's see what is mean by amphicribal first. In concentric vascular bundle, one vascular tissue is surrounded by other. That's why it is called as a concentric. One xylem or phloem present at the center. Any one is present at the center and other is present surrounding to first one. So that's why it is called as a concentric. If xylem is present in the center, if the xylem is present at the center, here the xylem is present at the center and phloem surround it, the vascular bundle is called as a hydrocentric, or it is called as a centroxylic because xylem is at the center, or we can say it as a amphicribral. For example, vascular bundle present in fern, rachis or in the rhizome. So this is the amphicribal, where the xylem, here the xylem is present at the center while the phloem is present at the surrounding, here xylem and phloem. So it is a centroxylic type of concentric vascular bundle, or we call it as a amphicribral. Now second type of concentric vascular bundle is called as a amphivasal, or we call it as a leptocentric or centrophloic, as phloem is present here at the middle position. At the center phloem is there and the phloem is surrounded by the xylem. So that's why it is called as a centrophloic type of concentric vascular bundle, or we call it as a amphivasal type of vascular bundle. And this type of vascular bundle is present in the Dracaena stem. So this is the second type of vascular bundle, that is concentric type of vascular bundle. Now let's discuss regarding third type of vascular bundle, that is known as a conjoint vascular bundle. So this is the third type, C, that is the third type of vascular bundle. This is conjoint type of vascular bundle. Now vascular bundle is called conjoint if it consists of both xylem and phloem. If vascular bundle consists of both the elements togetherly, that's why it is called as a conjoint. Now conjoint vascular bundles are again classified into three types, that is conjoint collateral open, look at here, conjoint collateral closed, or conjoint collateral open, or conjoint bicollateral. So these are three types of conjoint vascular bundle. Conjoint vascular bundles divided into two types, that is collateral and bicollateral. Again collateral divided into two types, that is closed and open type. So let's see first, that is conjoint collateral closed type of vascular bundle. This one, conjoint collateral and closed type of vascular bundle, this one. Okay, this type of vascular bundle, that is conjoint collateral and closed type of vascular bundle, consists of both xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem lie side by side on the same radius. Xylem and phloem, if this is the radius, xylem here, phloem here, they are present on the same radius, and the strip of cambium is absent. So there is no cambium present in between the xylem and phloem, and such vascular bundles are present in monocot stem, for example maize and jowar. And because there is no cambium and the xylem and phloem are at same radius, that is collateral, as well as there is presence of both the tissues, that's why it is called as a conjoint collateral closed type of vascular bundle. Second type of conjoint vascular bundle is conjoint collateral and open type of vascular bundle. Look at here, in this vascular bundle, xylem and phloem are present on the same radius. Both the tissues are having in their center or middle portion there is a presence of cambium. If cambium is present in between xylem and phloem, such a type of vascular bundle is called as open type of vascular bundle, and this is the conjoint, collateral and open type of vascular bundle generally found in dicot stem, for example sunflower stem. Next one, that is the third type of conjoint vascular bundle, is conjoint bicollateral. Here sometimes phloem is present on both sides of xylem and there are two strips of cambia. Such vascular bundle is known as bicollateral. For example, cucurbita stem, there is a presence of such type of bicollateral vascular bundle. Here at the center there is a xylem, and to the both side of xylem, here and here, there is a phloem, and in between xylem and phloem, on the both sides of xylem, there is a presence of strips of outer as well as inner cambium. And when such type of vascular bundle is present, this vascular bundle is called as conjoint and bicollateral type of vascular bundle. So this is the account of different types of vascular bundles. First one radial, second one concentric, and third one conjoint. Again, conjoint is divided into three types: conjoint collateral closed, conjoint collateral open, and conjoint bicollateral. While concentric type of vascular bundle is divided into amphivasal or centrofloic and amphicribral, or we can call it as a centroxylic type of concentric vascular bundle. Now togetherly, all these vascular bundles plays an important role or functions in plant body. So let's discuss regarding functions of vascular bundle. So vascular bundles or conducting tissue are the tissue which conduct the various liquid substances throughout the plant organs. Xylem tissue is concerned with conduction of water and mineral salt absorbed by the roots, and xylem elements such as tracheids, vessels and fibers provide mechanical strength to the organ. Phloem is a food possessing tissue, and it is concerned with conduction of organic substances synthesized in the various regions to the site of storage and wherever they are required. Xylem maintains a current of water in plant body so that a plant body remains cool and the cells of different organs get water and mineral salt for their metabolic activities. Togetherly, xylem and vessel or conducting tissue is responsible for translocation or transfer of food material or water or mineral salts from one part of plant to the another plant, and they are very much responsible for different physiological functions as they provide food and water to the different parts of the plant. So this is all about complex tissue that consists of or we can call it as a vascular tissue, which consists of xylem, phloem and different kinds their arrangement, that is called as types of vascular bundles.